She look cute, this shit.
1, 2, 3, soy.
Hi, Marcus.
I'm Dylan. I'm Ray.
Famous Andy Campbell. The dish that we're going to make is called buttered shrimp. Buttered shrimp is a rich seafood dish that sauteed shrimp in butter and oil. It can be enhanced by adding lemon juice or lemon soda, known as Sprite or syrup. It's a popular dish in the Philippines since it's famously known for its creamy, enormous butter sauce.
Start by cleaning the shrimp. Wash it thoroughly and trim the head as much as possible.
Why did you're not supposed to peel it, you're supposed to wash it. Hugasan mo na lang ako. Pag na-blue.
After that, you'll marinate it in a bowl of soy.
Wow.
It's not Then it sits for around 10 minutes before cooking. First, melt the butter over the fire.
We have to cut the
Once the butter is melted, add minced garlic and saute until ready.
Okay na, makes sense. Oh my gosh, bro, nag-evaporate na ang butter. Bilisan mo, te, masusunog. Oh, put one more. Yeah. Okay na yan. Mix, mix, mix! Oh my gosh. Hindi ko makita kung okay episode. Okay na yan. Hindi ko makita.
Bangot diba? Ang galing natin. Guys, sa inyo. I think.
Alam, hindi ko alam.
What? This is the final product.
this